Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
This forest is really pretty today. Huh?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Good to see you, soldier. Come on by Sergeant's surplus hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey.
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School.
I'm sure I just saw some balloons up there.
Holy! Hooray! Hearing words like that gives me strength! What's this? The string is stuck. It won't come out!
The piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. See it right there? In the hood, right there.
Have fun fishing, Mater.
Pit stop.
Haha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Is the difference between you and Francesco. Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround himself.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil.
What's taking this guy so long? Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
Tag, you're in.
What?
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures, because Champ here has been a role model of mine.
Order in the court.
Seems like my mind has been changed.
Hey, how come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where are the girls? Bring on the confetti! Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes! We have a three-way.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
I made that Sterling fella a Texas-size offer.
So, Red.
McQueen and Sally, work beneath the tape. K-I-S-S.
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
Ow.
Excuse me, pardon me. Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky, how's the kid? What's your hood?
The defendant has no lawyer. The court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to... Cuba dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.
You won't talk me out of this, Mr. McQueen. I'm going back. I resign as your trainer.
All right.
He's in the gate too. Clean through the horizontal. Man, what? He is...
Lightning McQueen!
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good.